In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the YouTube Shorts remixing permissions for all of your videos. So if you do not want to allow the users to use your video content for their shorts, what you can do to disable it, let's see. First of all, I'll guide you how to disable it for a single video, and then I'll show you how to do it for bulk. So we head over to the content and we select that specific video that you want to disable the remixing for. We scroll down a little bit, click on show more, and you scroll down, and under the shorts remixing section, you can allow or disallow the remixing. So we click on don't allow remixing, click on save, but that is done for a single video. What if you want to do it for all the videos? For that, you head over to the content under the YouTube Studio and you select all the videos. But this will select the videos on this specific page, like these are 30 videos. But if you want to select all, let's say we have 200 of them, we click on select all, and after that you select the option in the edit to whatever you want to do. We want to customize the short remixing setting. We select short remixing and we want to disallow remixing for all of our videos. Click on update videos, click I understand, click update videos, and this will take some time and make the bulk update for all the videos. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.